New gadgets drop every day, and that's exactly why you're here, to catch the coolest ones before anyone else and maybe even try them out first. From health-focused tech to tools for creating, relaxing, and just having fun, we've got it all. MetMo Fractal Vise is not your average clamp. Its interlocking jaws adjust perfectly to any shape, gripping objects firmly but gently without causing damage. What makes it really cool is how delicate objects can be clamped without worry, whether it's a 3D printed part, a wristwatch, or even a glass for precise detailing. And it's not just for holding tools. You can turn it into a mini phone stand, use it for DIY projects, or clamp down whatever you need with precision. Unlike traditional bulky vices, this one is compact enough to fit in your pocket, making it easy to carry and use anywhere. It's a precision tool that looks like a fidget toy, works like a pro clamp, and fits in your pocket, which is kind of genius when you think about it. Okay, so picture this. You're climbing a steep hill, your legs usually start burning halfway up, and you're mentally preparing to hate your knees for the next 2 days. But this time, you've got something special on: powered pants. Yep, real-life Iron Man-style pants. That's what the Mogo from Arc'teryx and Skip is all about. At first glance, they look just like a regular pair of hiking pants. But inside there's a full-blown mobility assist system hidden in the fabric, complete with a motor, sensors, and a tiny computer. These pants actually feel how you're moving, and give your legs a subtle push when you need it most. Walking uphill, they kick in to reduce the strain on your quads. Going downhill, they help stabilize your knees so you're not clenching every step. You get about a 40% boost in support, which is wild. Despite the tech inside, these pants don't feel robotic or bulky, just like upgraded versions of pants you'd already want to wear on a hike. If you've got joint pain, recovering from surgery, or maybe just not as spry as you used to be, this tech could mean the difference between staying on the trail or staying home. It gives people real freedom to explore again. The NEWTRAL Freedom-X chair isn't just another ergonomic chair. It's built to adapt to you, not the other way around. Forget the stiff posture of a traditional office chair. This one moves with you in any position. Need to work? Slide out the built-in tray, place your laptop on it, and get to it. Want to relax? Recline all the way back, or even have your pet curl up next to you while you take a break. The 360-degree armrests adjust however you want, the footrest pops out for maximum comfort. And thanks to its smooth rolling wheels, you can glide around effortlessly. Whether you're working, gaming, meditating, or just lounging, this chair morphs into whatever you need it to be. If you've ever needed to solder something on the go but didn't want to drag around a full-size station, Welder 3-in-1 is here to make life easier. This compact soldering station is designed for portability without sacrificing power. It heats up in just 2 seconds, so you're not waiting around for it to be ready. Plus, with precise temperature control, you're not guessing. Just dial in what you need and get to work. It runs on removable lithium batteries, meaning no annoying cords, and you get plenty of use before needing a recharge. And despite being super portable, it's got all the features you'd expect from a full soldering setup, even a built-in fan, so you're not getting hit in the face with smoke while you work. It's crazy how much tech they've packed into something this small. Withings BeamO isn't just another thermometer, it's a full-on health gadget that fits in your pocket. It can measure your temperature, check your heart rate, do an ECG, and even work as a digital stethoscope to listen to your heart and lungs. What's really cool is that it has a built-in display, so you can see all your health data instantly. No need to sync to an app every time. And since it's contactless, you don't even have to touch it to your skin to get an accurate temperature reading. It's like having a mini doctor in your hand, perfect for quick checkups at home or while traveling. You've got smart devices, but your home still doesn't feel smart? That's because you need one hub to rule them all, and that's exactly what Homey Pro does. This all-in-one smart home hub lets you control all your devices from a single app, no matter the brand. It doesn't just make life easier, it actually automates your home, so your devices work together without you constantly micromanaging them. Homey Pro works with all major protocols, including Z-Wave, Zigbee, Bluetooth, Matter, Thread, and even infrared, so you can control some non-smart devices as well. It's fully compatible with voice assistants, so you can just tell Siri to handle things for you. With Homey, you can set up simple automations like turning off the lights and adjusting the thermostat when the last person leaves the house. Or go next level with multi-step routines that coordinate multiple devices to work together seamlessly under different conditions. Going on vacation? Set up your lights to turn on every 30 minutes to make it look like someone's home. No need to leave your kid behind like in Home Alone. Need better security? I set up my outdoor lights to turn on when my security camera detects a person or a car approaching at night. No motion sensors needed, just a smart trigger through Homey that turns the lights off again after 5 minutes. You don't need to be a tech wizard to set these up. Everything is intuitive and can be done from your phone or computer. Unlike many smart hubs, Homey Pro runs everything locally, so your data stays private and your automations keep working even if your internet goes down. And the cherry on top? No monthly subscription fees. Check out the link in the video description. MacroDock stands out by blending two essential setups into one sleek device, a pro-level macro pad and a high-speed docking hub. It supports over 200 plugins, giving you powerful macro control across apps like OBS, Twitch, YouTube, and many more. Just flip to the setup you need and get to work. On top of that, it packs a full set of connectivity options, SD card slots, support for external displays up to 8K, and plenty of ports to connect all your gear in one spot. And whether you're on Windows or Mac, it's ready to go. Plus, it has rotary knobs that let you tweak volume, adjust brush sizes, or smoothly scrub through your video timeline, all with a simple turn of the dial. Unlike a regular power bank, where you still need to carry separate cables, this one has a built-in charging cable, so your phone is covered. Plus, it wirelessly charges your smartwatch, making it a perfect EDC gadget for people who are always on the move. At just 80 grams, it packs a 3000 mAh battery, enough to give your phone or watch a much-needed boost when you're on the go. Unlike typical power banks, this one is designed specifically for minimalists who don't want to deal with tangled cables or bulky battery packs. Sometimes you just want to light up a real fire, not some gas-powered imitation, but actual wood-burning flames. That's where the Solo Stove Mesa comes in. It's a compact tabletop fire pit that lets you enjoy a cozy, smokeless fire right on your patio or even on a camping trip. What makes it even better? It burns both wood and pellets, so you get flexibility depending on what's available. It's small but powerful, creating a real flame experience without the hassle of excessive smoke. Perfect for roasting marshmallows, making s'mores, or just chilling with that campfire vibe, whether you're out in the wild or just hanging out in your backyard. And since it's made of stainless steel, it's built to last while still being super portable. At first glance, the MILERD Detoxer might look like a high-tech water bottle, but don't let the design fool you. It's not for purifying drinking water. This compact little gadget is actually built to clean your food. Think fruits, vegetables, berries, grains, even meat and seafood. The way it works is surprisingly clever. You drop the detoxer into a container of water along with your food, press a button on the touchscreen, and it kicks off a cleaning process using ultrasonic waves and active oxygen. The combination breaks down pesticides, heavy metals, bacteria, mold spores, you name it, right at the molecular level. Basically, stuff that normal rinsing with tap water barely touches. No added chemicals, no vinegar baths, and no scrubbing. It's gentle on your produce but tough on contaminants. And the best part? It preserves all the good stuff like vitamins and flavor. There's even a little color touchscreen to help you pick the right mode depending on what you're washing. Most projectors look the same, plain, boxy, and boring. But ARASO H8 is a whole different vibe. This thing looks like a futuristic robot, making it not just a projector but a cool piece of tech that actually looks good sitting in your room. It's not just about looks though. With native 1080p resolution, it delivers decent quality for the price. The projector is not the brightest out there, but for $150, it does a solid job for casual movie nights. Plus, with 180-degree rotation, you can adjust the angle however you want. No awkward setups or stacking books to get the right height. With built-in Android 11, you can install and run Netflix, YouTube, or any other streaming apps directly from the projector. No need to plug in extra devices. Imagine you're out camping, and instead of dealing with soggy sandwiches floating in melted ice, you've got the electric cooler by Anker keeping everything chilled to perfection. This isn't your granddad's old cooler. It's a high-tech game changer. In just 15 minutes, it can drop from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your drinks are cold and your food stays fresh. And with a 288 watt-hour battery, you're looking at up to 34 hours of uninterrupted cooling. Need more time off-grid? Pop in a second battery and extend that to a whopping 78 hours. Plus, it's versatile with multiple charging options, solar panels, wall outlets, car sockets, or even USB-C. It also works as a power bank, letting you charge your phone, tablet, or even a laptop while keeping your drinks ice cold. The dual zone feature lets you keep your drinks cool while keeping your meats frozen, all in one compact unit. Forget bulky hard drives. Maktar MiniMax is a storage solution that actually keeps up with your workflow. This tiny SSD packs 512 gigabytes to 2 terabytes of high-speed storage into a portable design. It comes with a built-in display that shows real-time speed, capacity, and connection status, so you always know what's happening. It's not just for your laptop. You can plug it straight into a camera without worrying about running out of space. If you're shooting on an iPhone, it works just as well for 4K ProRes, meaning you can skip the iCloud upgrades and store everything locally. This YOGAPOD isn't here to help you master your downward dog. It's here to hold your camera steady no matter where you set up. In fact, with its ultra-flexible design, you could say it teaches your camera poses that even the most dedicated yogis would envy. Unlike traditional tripods that take up half your backpack, the YOGAPOD is compact, lightweight, and completely flat when folded. It slides easily into a pocket, making it perfect for those moments when you didn't plan to shoot but suddenly see the perfect shot. No ball head? No problem. This thing doesn't need one. It has a unique rotating head that lets you position your camera vertically or at any angle you need. Its independently moving legs adapt to any surface, gripping onto rocks, railings, or whatever unpredictable terrain you're working with. And thanks to specially designed clutches, once you adjust the tension, it stays locked in place, whether you're using a small mirrorless camera or something heavier. This is definitely a solution you didn't know you needed. This isn't your typical candle. It's more like if a Zen garden met some floating tech from a sci-fi movie. Spirale is a beautifully designed levitating candle holder made from natural bamboo, available in a range of stylish colors to fit any kind of interior, from minimal to cozy. Here's how it works. You insert a small glass capsule filled with paraffin, drop in the wick, light it, and then carefully place it into the curved bamboo frame. Once it's floating above the magnetic base, the whole thing looks like it's just hovering midair, kind of mesmerizing to watch. If there's a sudden power outage, the floating glass immediately drops and magnetically attaches to the base. No wobbling, no drama. And the flame itself never gets close to the bamboo since the height of the capsule is matched perfectly to the frame. That said, it's still an open flame, so it's best to keep it out of reach of kids, no matter how magical it looks. The Chirp RPM Mini might look like a funky little kettlebell, but it's actually a compact massage device you'll be glad to have around the house. No need to hit the gym or roll out a yoga mat. This thing is perfect for those everyday moments when your neck suddenly starts aching or your shoulders feel tight after sitting too long. Just grab it, turn it on, and place it where it hurts. The spinning head has multiple speed settings and works its magic by boosting blood flow to tense areas, helping muscles relax and easing pain. Great for pretty much anywhere on your body, and way easier than asking someone for a massage. If you've ever tried setting up a tent in the dark or cooking at your campsite with just a flashlight, this gadget might be your new favorite camping buddy. The Telescopic. Camping light is like a tiny transformer. Starts compact, but then extends up over a meter high to light up your entire setup. It's rocking 4 fold-out LED panels that you can tilt and rotate however you need, whether you're lighting up a tent or fixing your car. And it's not just bright, it's really bright. Up to 6,000 lumens when fully extended. That's practically daylight in a box. And you can even charge your phone right from the lamp. If you're the kind of person who's constantly battling screen addiction, then the Lightphone 3 might actually feel like a breath of fresh air. It's a modern minimalist phone that does the basics: calls, texts, music, directions, alarm, calendar, calculator, and camera. But no social media, no internet browser, no email, no doom scrolling. It's got a matte black and white OLED screen that's easy on the eyes and visible in direct sunlight, a new 8-megapixel camera with flash, and even a front-facing camera for video calls if needed. You can listen to music or podcasts, get turn-by-turn directions, and set reminders. And while it definitely doesn't compete with the original iPhone in terms of features, here's the twist. If Steve Jobs were still around, there's a good chance he'd secretly prefer something like this. As a fan of Zen simplicity, he might have actually preferred something this focused and distraction-free. The Lenercom Energon Max isn't just some big chunky battery backup. This thing is a true powerhouse disguised as a suitcase. With a massive 3,686 watt-hour capacity and 3,600 watt output, it's built to handle serious situations. Think power outages where your computer, fridge, TV, dishwasher, and washing machine keep running like nothing happened. That's because it has built-in UPS support, so you can plug it directly into your home setup and it'll automatically kick in when the grid goes down. But it's not just for emergencies. This beast is also made for the outdoors. Roll it out like a suitcase, take it camping or on road trips, and it'll keep your portable fridge running, power up your gear, or even top off an electric vehicle. Yup, it's that strong. You've got 5 different ways to charge it, including solar panels, which is perfect for sunny days off the grid. You can also pair 2 of these monsters together for even more juice if you're powering a whole house setup. And thanks to the companion phone app, you can monitor everything in real time. If you've ever struggled to fall asleep with headphones digging into your ears or a bulky speaker disturbing your partner, Slewtune Q1 is trying to fix that. This ultra-thin sleep speaker is just 11 millimeters thick, designed to sit comfortably against your ear without pressure. It's not just a tiny speaker. It has a patented 3-layer design that blocks outside noise while delivering clear, immersive sound. No need for noise-canceling headphones or blasting white noise machines across the room. Plus, it's made from food-grade materials, so it's safe and durable.